Hi, this is Lisa from Local King Rubber Stamp. Welcome to my channel. Today's video, I am going to share with you what my studios look like. The studio that I created Local King Rubber Stamp, and this is the studio that I created all the YouTube videos. Hoping you like it. Today at 2 o'clock Pacific time, I am having a Zoom meeting with 30 crafters. If you haven't signed out this, if you're not on the list, don't worry about it. I will upload this video after the meeting. So in the beginning, when I started this Zoom meeting, I wasn't sure I am able to run the live stream YouTube video. But after a few of the live stream video, I am actually very comfortable to do the live stream video now. So instead of having the Zoom meeting, later on, we are going to just have the live stream video. So if you already purchased the Butterfly Kisses combo set in June 13 at 2 o'clock Pacific time, just go to the YouTube channel and then we are going to do it together on live. I will still keep the chat room open so you can still chat with me. So I think that is better, and we don't have to have too many, because some of you maybe are not comfortable to showing your face in the public. I totally understand. The privacy is very important. So that's what we're going to do today, and I'm just to share with you what do we do. Today's play with Lisa. What I'm going to do is I prepare one project. So and also I am going to share with all my viewers the preparation for the coming YouTube video. So when I want to create a video, I start to do a lot of research and to see what I can offer to my viewers and my customer. And I always make a prototype and a lot of preparation, make sure everything is well organized, and then I will start a video. So I am a messy crafter, but my video, I can say, is pretty organized. Okay, are you ready to see my craft room? And after you watch this video, leave me a comment, let me know what do you think and what is your craft room look like. So let's start today's video, and I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so I have some of the storage that I got from IKEA. So I have four of them, and I am a messy crafter, not really organized person. I guess that's a true artist, right? So most of those drawers are still empty. And then papers. I have a lot of paper in my puzzle machine. I bought this machine the first, I think it was 2000, maybe 15. I start to launch Local King's matching die, and this is a machine that I can testing the die cut before we send it to the factory. And also I bought this storage from one of the Canadian company. Same thing, a lot of drawer, but didn't really. A lot of them still are empty. So those are my tin hose impact, and don't really use them, but they are very moisture. So got a lot of most of them a lot of impact. Most of them they are empty, and my new do. Never remember how to pronounce that. More impact. Most of those are all the impact. And all my embossing powders. More glitters. More powders. Do we need all these powders? Absolutely not. But oh, my washi tape. So some of the ribbons. And then some, I do have other people's stamps too. There you go. Art Impression, one of my favorite company. I have a tin hose crazy bird too, and melodies. Actually, this is the gift from my friend Lisa. She gave it to me those melodies when I was in the Crystal River, I think. And some other stuff here. You know what? Be honest with you, I don't really know what I have. And I was mentioning in the stamp with me, with Nancy, on the Nancy's channel, I love this mouse house stamp. So After I start my business, the only stamps that I keep is this mouse house stamps. Just love them. Look, those chubby mice just make you happy, isn't it? And some of the, this is the puzzle stamp. You can see it's brand new. Never used it before. So I shop too. And what else? Oh, here are my punch drill. So a lot of punch here, and I believe in my watercolor here, I believe a lot of you guys, your craft room, you have way more stuff than me. Some my little cute iron and my heat gun, more heat gun. Okay, so for the IKEA ones, they have a lot of ink, alcohol, and the Marvin markers, and the ribbons. Yeah, and then those are miscellaneous. I really have to clean them because, like I say, I am a messy crafter. A lot of foils, miscellaneous stuff, color dust, and look at all the inker. You know what? Do you need all? You don't. You just want to have it. Hey, I found the envelope. I was looking for this envelope so bad. I have a few card swap I need to send. I really have to clean my drawers, and I'm sure I can find a lot of goodie. Okay, in here, excuse me, Tinho's apron. And those are all the cards that I create during my videos, and some card swap. Haven't received any card swap for a while. I have to organize them. And then those are my die cut. The die cut I use all the time. So those are the Nestability one. Okay, and then here are my folders. So all the embossing folders I have. And those are the big die from the CZEC. I love those big die cut. They can cut through the cardboard. And this is empty. This is empty. See, I still have a lot of empty spot. Okay, and I do have some COVID marker. Oops, I do have some COVID markers, but don't really use them. Let me pick up the stuff here. Okay, so those are my COVID markers. Okay, and here is the wall behind my tables. I spent a lot of time here, and some of the project that I create. Okay, I think you probably saw all those videos. And those are two little live figures I got from Taiwan. Aren't they cute? And these little piggy and the donkey, I got one. I got them from the craft show, and I think the artist is from Montreal. I always tell my husband, "I'm the piggy, you're the donkey," and he always said, "I don't want to be a donkey." And I said, "What would you like to be?" He said, "I'd like to be me," which is yeah. Okay, so here is the let's come here later. And then my studio is located in the basement, and it actually have a lot of light. Here is the table, which I haven't sit for a while. I only use this table when I working on the new design. So the one in the back is actually tablet. I start to draw the digital file. I just do the hand drawing first, and then scan it to this image, and then I finish with the digital. So that saved me a lot of time. I don't know, is this on or not? Oh, it's off. And then this table is actually awesome. It's automatic. Ooh, it go up and down. So this is my happy place, and then you can see those flower container. I created videos before. Okay, and then here is the empty boxes from Amazon. Okay, and then those I really have to I really have to organize my stuff, and all the stuff here, you know, and then here's my boo-boo, my dog. I'm missing him, so boo-boo is here. He always keeps me company. And boo-boo has been gone for how many years? 12, 13 years already. There you go. This is a tooth fairy. Inside his belly is boo-boo's teeth. Still keep it. He was a nice dog. Really missing. So that's it. And the sewing machine, I have it, but I don't know how to sew. And then I have my background stem here. Not really organized, which is really bad. A lot of draw, and the first draw, all the stamp is the sentiment stamps. I have some quick cut die cut, the alphabetical one. I used to paint, so I have a lot of paint brushes. Okay, and you know what? I have no idea what's the stuff in the drawer. Bad. Need to clean it. Okay, paper again. Look, paper, paper, more paper. I don't know why I keep buying the paper. And those paper I use most of the time now. Those are just Michael's recollection. 110 pound, cheap, good quality. You can blend, you can do whatever you like. And those are all the computer books. I actually learned all the design, like digital design by myself. I read the menus. And there's more paper. Okay, so let's go back to my main station. So here is the main station. And then here is actually the gift Nancy sent it to me. And then some of the half foil, some of the half foil I received and I haven't got a chance to play with it. Okay, so that's the half foil. Sorry, not very professional for the moving camera. Recording. So this is my main station. You can see there's one ceiling camera. One is the front. I have some lighting set up. Oh, and here is my stamps. Okay, so I used to put them in the CD case, but I don't really want to buy the CD case anymore. Hey, there's one carrot over there. Yeah, and then here is miscellaneous, some family portrait. And what's this one? Oh, this is actually felting, needle felting. Didn't get a chance to play with it. Okay, so let's go back to my main station. So here is the main station. I have my microphone set up, sitting camera, my laptop, and I have a big monitor, so when I'm doing the YouTube videos, I can see what I'm sharing with you. The magic mushroom, this is the one that I have been using for 2 years, but I always put one side to show what's look like. The color just so pretty, just make me happy. Here is my cutting station. I have at least a big shot. They are electrical one. Works very well. So I have a one for die cut. I have a one for embossing. So that way I don't have to keep switch all the time. I have my heat gun there, and I have my glue runner here. And those two trays are the item that I use all the time. The first one is a Memento Impact. I use a lot, but recently those Impact start getting dry. I use a lot. And then Robert Naker's Color Fuse, some Kaleidos color. See, not a very organized person. Back. And all my double-side tape and the foam tape. More ink. This is some of the new slimline stamps. Some embellishment. Some envelopes, and this is what is Inca Gold. Haven't used for a while, they all dry. Yeah, so just add some water, it should work just fine. Okay, and then the right side, my right wing main. So that's that little sticker maker I was mentioning in my video. Works very well. And my tool, so my Chucky, but I just made one with the candlelight, work very well. And a garbage can under the table. Here is some embossing that I use all the time, so just want to have a handy. Oh, this is the new impact that I fall in love with it. Still short of a few colors, but they work very well. Very juicy, the quality is just awesome. And then here is some refill and acrylic block. What is here? Here is a watercolor pencil. I'm so regret I bought this one because I found one at the Costco, only $9.99, 72 colors. I'm sure they will work perfect. So, but too late. And then here, this binder, I did a video. This is inside is all my sentiment stamp. So that way I can easily find it. But the bad thing is after I usually don't put it back the place it's supposed to be. So here is some other stuff haven't used for a while. What is this? I love bath. See, this is sticker, so cute. I'm going to do something this afternoon with it. And there's an empty bag. Okay, and then I have one more tray here. Okay, so here I have my stamp positioner. I have a few stamp positioner. Small trimmer, my markers here, some, and then here is all the sentiment clear stamp. So I mentioned in my video before, I only buy the clear stamp only for the sentiment. And then here is a lovely gift from my friend Lisa. She made me the calendar for the whole years. So today is 30 already. Have to change it soon, so I use it. And the second tray is markers again, and then some clean stamp cleaner glue like that. Yeah, so that's pretty much about it. So this is the studio. This is the studio that I create all the Local Kings videos, the project, and the stamp image. Is not the big one. Oh, those are the some laminate floor. My husband's supposed to change the floor. They have been sitting there for 2 years still there. Who knows when he's gonna do it. So it's not a busy, it's not a big place, but it's my happy place. So just want to show you what's it look like. And then I am going to get ready to do my first Zoom meeting play with Lisa. Hoping you like my studio tool, and leave me a comment, let me know what's your studio look like. So this is what the craft room, my craft room look like. It is not big, it's not a very organized, but it is my happy place. I'm so happy when I spend every minute here. What's your happy place look like? Leave me a comment, let me know. I'm going to get ready for my 2 o'clock Zoom meeting, play with Lisa. So don't worry about that. If you are not on the list, I will upload this video right after we finish our playtime. So for the other play with Lisa by using the butterfly kisses, remember, check on your YouTube at 2 o'clock in June 13, and then we are going to have so much fun. I will provide the material list pretty soon. So the point is just having fun, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.